so we're gonna have a fun time.
Like, to be fair,
There's some good news and some bad news.
Was there a refund or is that it?
tell your kids to not jump on, skip on, or ride on trolleys.
This lighting is so bad. Oh, here we go. Maybe. No. We might just have to bear with the lighting for now, sorry guys. But we are in the car, we're on our way to pick up our friends because we're actually heading down the Great Ocean Road today. So we're going to go pick up Laura and James now and we're all going to head down to Lorne. We were meant to be going to Tasmania 2 weekends ago I think, but it got cancelled because of the lockdown. So the other day we just like last minute decided let's just book somewhere to go and stay. I'm very excited. We don't really often go away together apart from for New Year's Eve, but like it's New Year's Eve. So I'm very excited to just go away for a night. We have nothing crazy planned, just probably have a few drinks, play some games. We're going into the food works now. I feel like this is my favorite part of any trip, getting the snacks.
Where are we, James?
We're in Lorne.
What are we doing?
We are just cruising around, seeing what's on offer. We're here for the weekend, so we're gonna have a fun time. Didn't think I was here, did ya?
Where are you?
Just here.
What's your food like?
For dinner, we've only got a pretty simple menu at the moment. I'll just grab a menu, just one sec.
No worries. Doing his bloody life story while he's at it.
Can you hear?
I've got some good news and some bad news. Do you want to tell them either? No, I'll quickly tell.
I can never tell if James is being serious or not.
I'll show you the map in a sec, that's not important for now. They gave us a complimentary bottle of rosé.
It's because they've like fucked up our
That's
stay.
the excitement because they actually don't have a room for us.
Are you fucking
So they have to give so they have to give us a split room, did they call it?
Yeah, we're in 2 separate rooms.
Yeah.
Is it still the same like
It's like
penthouse?
no, it sounded like more of like a cabin that had 2 bunk beds.
Was there a refund or is that it?
The complimentary bottle of wine is to say sorry and
Laura.
and
Mate,
we're further away from the beach than we thought.
All beach
James,
together.
are you he's fucking lying, you little piece of shit.
We got the best room, it's right near the beach with a complimentary bottle of wine.
This is cute.
This is cute.
Little view of the tennis court.
I think there'll be any tennis.
Pouring rain outside though.
Lovely.
Oh,
Yeah, get that heated.
that's cute. Little bed in there.
In the morning, we're making waffles. It's like that burger, right.
Taste. I literally will probably have to cut it out for copyright reasons, but
Just
get it
put over
guys.
your own music.
We are now curling our hair because of the rain. Took out all my curls. We have a drink. Cheers. This is the game we're playing.
Shut. Hi,
My name's Bill.
and I'm from Kmart. Please, parents, tell your kids to not jump on, skip on, or ride on trolleys, because you might get hurt.
You do it so well. Okay, James.
Yep.
What colour was Tommy's shirt in the TV show Rugrats?
That is so
Yellow.
No.
What?
Nah, blue.
Blue.
Oh, of course.
Alright, confession,
No,
I've
give
never
it to
seen an
Andy.
episode of Rugrats
No,
ever
you
in my
have.
life.
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
No, I can.
Oh my god.
Player most likely to finish a goon sack by themselves.
I feel like you.
Me?
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, go on.
Like maybe not goon, but like out of
Probably,
everyone,
yeah.
you.
Pick a player to sing the theme of round the twist.
I don't even
2
know.
against 1.
I don't know what it is either. Do you know it?
Round the twist.
See?
Have you ever
Yeah.
felt like this? Cause strange things happen when you're going around the twist.
Drink if you're saying no worries, even though you should probably worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone.
That's my
Every
most said
Australian.
saying.
Drink if you're on your mum's Medicare card.
Yeah.
Are you guys joking? Drink if you've ever accidentally called the teacher mum. I'm sure we all have.
Yeah.
Peak
Fine.
embarrassment.
Drink if you've ever said just on card, thanks.
Oh, I'm trying to stop it. It's so bad.
Whoa.
Drink if you've ever done a tactical vomit to get back on it.
Is that going to be you?
Drink if you've ever seen a P plater and automatically thought the driver was a hot girl.
Like, to be fair,
Hear me out.
Can't get out of this one.
We're just getting ready now. I'm just touching up my makeup again because I've had it on literally all day. I don't know where we're going out for food, but we will find somewhere. Literally choosing an outfit is possibly the hardest job ever, but this is what I have decided to go with to be somewhat comfortable and somewhat warm. What's your OOTD?
OTD.
What's your outfit of the night or outfit of the day? Where's it from?
I don't
Connor?
know. YD, cotton on.
I like it.
Thanks.
No worries. Black jeans. No. Blue jeans. Anyway, we have had a few too many drinks, so good night.
This is exactly what I was talking about.
Good morning, guys. This is the first time I'm actually doing a talking clip. I feel like the vlog so far has been literally all over the place, but you know, our day was kind of all over the place. Like, we had no real kind of plans. So I'm sorry if yesterday's clips were like just everywhere, but today we've woken up, I've just gotten ready for the day and we're about to check out of the hotel. We're not up to much today because we do have to leave by lunchtime, but we're going to go to the waterfall, a lookout, and then possibly just down to the beach and get some lunch before we head off. So yeah, it's been really fun so far and I'm excited for the rest of the day and the drive home, but I will make sure to film some things. Little outfit change, me and Laura, because you got to pretend like you're here for multiple days when you get your photos. We kind of match actually.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
My brown and your brown, although I have my little turtleneck that's just like peeking, but it's okay. Took my hair out, so it literally looks like it's a different day. So we're now home from our little weekend getaway. I thought I would end out this vlog. I literally don't even know what kind of footage I got or if it's even interesting to anyone to watch it, but I just felt like filming the weekend and kind of just like documenting it. So hopefully something comes out of it and I can somehow make a video out of it, but I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. Definitely recommend doing Lorne or the Great Ocean Road if you're wanting somewhere to travel to. We've done it a few times and we absolutely love it. It's such a beautiful drive, and also all the little towns along the way are just so cute. So it's a definite must if you've never done the Great Ocean Road before. But yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!